Sheesh. Y'all know what y'all missing. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Black seed powder. Look. Look. Lemongrass. Peppermint sticks. Different flavors. Licorice root. Grape. Vanilla. Peppermint. Cherry. Strawberry. Sea moss. Stuff that I've been already slaying. Yeah. Yeah. Sage. Different sages. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah. 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 What you know about it? What you know about it? Florida water. Florida water. They got Florida water. Look out. Palo Santos. Feel me? Palo Santos. Yeah. Yeah. All the crystals, baby. Tiger Eye. I got my Tiger Eye on right now. It's happening. Yeah. 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 All of that. All that. What you trying to look for? Huh? Where you at? Everything. Soaps, all my soaps. That's enough. That's enough. Jay'sHarmonicInfusion.com. Jay'sHarmonicInfusion.com. Jay's Harmonic Infusion is the business Instagram account. Jay's Harmonic Infusion is the Instagram business account. If you don't know, you better know now. If you don't know, you better know now. You see that, right? Yeah. The motto is, I come to heal, not kill. I come to heal, not kill. You better know that.